Do you know what internet cookies are? Do you want to learn about internet cookies?
Well, do you know that you use internet cookies every time you go on the internet? Hi, I'm Kristen Sarah.
I'm Sammy Suchai.
What is an internet cookie? When I first heard of this, I thought it was a place where you can clear your internet history.
And I thought it was a type of internet, such as Internet Explorer. In this presentation, we're going to teach you what internet cookies are, the different parties of the internet cookies, how websites use it, and the problems that internet cookies have. When you go on the internet and different websites, internet cookies come into play to store information on your computer. By the website storing information, the next time you go on the same website, your information will still be there. According to Michael Brain, an internet cookie is not a program and it is not spyware. It's a text file which a website can drop it on the computer when you visit to obtain information.
According to Apple Safari help information, for example, when using a Mac computer, when you visit a website that uses cookies, the site asks Safari to store cookies on your computer. When you return to the site later, Safari sends back the cookies that belong to the site.
You can think of internet cookies as a doctor's office. When you go in for an appointment, they already have all your information stored in your own personal file. This is like going on the internet and returning to the same website you have previously gone on, and it already has all of your information.
A first-party cookie is a cookie that is issued by the website that you are visiting. For example, if you visit yahoo.com, this site places a cookie on your computer. This cookie can be only read by Yahoo. No other website can access or view this cookie besides yahoo.com. The three options are to accept, block, or prompt the parties. By clicking accept, you are allowing the internet to place cookies for just that website every time you go on that website. By choosing block, you are declining all cookies from your computer. And by choosing prompt, the site will place a cookie on your computer only the first time you visit that website.
A third-party cookie is issued by a site other than the one you are currently surfing. Adding to your example of first-party cookies, if yahoo.com associates itself with AOL.com by posting banner ads at the top of the homepage, AOL would then be able to have access to Yahoo's cookies. The three options are to accept, block, or prompt the parties. By choosing to accept third-party cookies, you are allowing the website you are on and other websites associated with it to place cookies on your computer every time you are on those websites. By choosing to block third-party cookies, you are blocking all cookies from being stored on your computer. And finally, by choosing prompt, you are allowing cookies to be stored from the website you are on and websites associated with it, but only the first time you go on that website.
According to Michael Brain from the website howstuffworks.com, sites can accurately determine how many readers actually visit the site. The only way for a site to accurately count visitors is to set a cookie with a unique ID for each visitor. Using cookies, site can determine how many visitors arrive, determine how many are new versus repeating visitors, determine how often a visitor has visited.
Also, according to Michael Brain from howstuffworks.com, the way the site does this is by using a database. The first time a visitor arrives, the site creates a new ID in the database and sends the ID as a cookie. The next time the user comes back, the site can increment a counter associated with the ID in the database and know how many times that visitor has returned.
According to Michael Brain, internet cookies cause problems because people often share the same computer, and cookies can get erased. Say you use a public computer to purchase something offline. The store you purchased from may leave a cookie on that computer. Then, someone could later use your information and then purchase something with that same account. This causes a lot of people to not trust internet cookies. According to Joseph Turow from Americans in Online Privacy, 57% of U.S. adults who use the internet at home believe incorrectly that when a website has a privacy policy, it will not share their personal information with other websites or companies.
Also, according to Michael Brain, internet cookies cause problems because people use multiple computers. For example, someone may use a work computer, a laptop, and an at-home computer. This causes a problem because they will have 3 different cookies on 3 different computers, and this causes the website to consider them 3 different people.
In this video, we taught you about what internet cookies are, the difference between the first and third-party internet cookies, how websites use them, and the problems that come along with using internet cookies.
I hope we taught you the things you need to know about internet cookies, and now that you have a good understanding that in the future you will know what to do when it comes to internet cookies.